Hello again, and thank you for joining with us for yet another exciting episode of the adventurous life of Paul and Diane.
Yes, and Paul and I are going to take you on a tour of our Havana Cabana cabin 5237. This is a room tour of the Havana Cabana, room 5237. Now, when you first come around 1:30, when they have the rooms open for you, they have your key card right in like that. Well, I already opened it up, and here's my card. We are, and then we get a wristband too, but that's inside. We don't, I'll show you that when we get in there. So then you just do that and you walk into the room. And here's our room. Okay, and we're inside the room. Now the first place I'll want to show you is what's there right when you walk in, and it's the closets. Now this first closet right here could be for your suits or dresses, something that hangs long. And also we were pretty excited about this. We got these nice robes that we can wear, if we have our bathing suit on, or even at night if we're a little chilly with our pajamas on. But these robes are really nice. So that's the first one. The second one also opens the opposite way. So Paul's gonna have to come over here to show you. So it has two racks, and they have pretty good amount of hangers, but if you need more, you can always get them at Amazon and then bring them with you and hang up more things, or you can ask your room attendant if they have any more hangers. But we hang up our shirts on those. There's two different things. Okay, now the last one right here, another cupboard is nice, is that it's got where you can put your valuables in. Make sure before you leave that you check that, because some people are leaving their things in that in the lock box there. Okay, now these drawers right here pull out. So Paul and I pack our stuff in packing cubes. So I can put the whole packing cube in there, like say if it's socks and underwear together or shorts or something like that, you just put them in the drawers. There's 3 of them. And they also have up there cabinet space where you can put, whatever up there too. Some of the packing cubes can go there, or, medicine, different things that you bring that can also go up there. Now, this right here is the refrigerator, and a lot of people say to leave this open a little bit because they said that it'll get too hot, it doesn't cool off, and then if it's all shut up. So some people use their clips, the clips that go on the chairs, for your towels, towel clips they put in there to keep it open. And this is the refrigerator. It's not real big, but it's enough, like if you have cans of pop or bottled water like we always, usually get. So that's that. And then they have the drawer right here that you pull out, and it has a hair dryer, but these hair dryers aren't really that strong. So if you really need something really strong, if you got real long, thick hair, you might want to bring your own. But this one's always worked for us. And that side. Now this right here is, open it up, it's our armbands to show that we have a Havana Cabana. We wear this, and that way if we go in the other way, we can get through because we have these on our arms. So this is our Havana Cabana things. And up here you can also put stuff if you want, some things that you need, like sometimes if you want to get this stuff out of the way from the table, you can put that up there. Whatever you want, it's up to you. And now these waters, these bottled waters, it has like a price on them, $4.50 for one of these. Well, when you're platinum and diamond, I think even gold, you can get 2 of them. But the only problem with that is people were saying that they were being charged for it, but John Held, I don't know if a lot of you people know who he is, but he's the brand ambassador of Carnival. He said that you can use the ones in your room if you are diamond, platinum, or gold. So, and then they have a nice couch over here to sit on, and also underneath have blankets or pillows in there. So we look first to see if there's any pillows before we ask our room attendant, because on the bed there's 4 pillows, but Paul and I like 6, so we ask them for 2 more. They also have towels for us to take out. Now you want to make sure that if you take your towels anywhere that you don't leave them somewhere, because they could charge you for them. We always take them out, use them, bring them back in here and put them in the bathroom, and they bring us new ones. They take those to clean and then they bring us new ones. But don't leave them somewhere because you don't know, they might charge you for it. And then I don't know if anybody knows too, you can order pop, and I ordered Paul some Zero, Coke Zero, and he really likes that, so I ordered him some of that to have. This nice mat, so you don't get the bedspread all dirty, and that you can put your suitcase on it, and then once you're done with your suitcase, and you can put your suitcase under the bed, it will fit under there. And then you take this off, and we usually take this off and then we put it way over in the corner of the couch that we're not using, so it's out of the way. Also, I want to talk about the plugs. There's 2 regular plugs there. There's the USB over there, 2 of them. I bring like a cube that has extra regular plugs and a USB, so we have enough. We don't have to worry about it. And then over here we have the same thing. There's another dresser, the same with on each side that you can turn on if you need that. And they also have the lights right here that you can turn off and turn on. And one thing that we really like about this is sometimes we're watching the TV before we go to bed, and all we have to do is just push that and it turns everything off. So that's one thing we really like. And then I bring a little light so we can see to go to the bathroom. When it gets dark, it goes on, and that, so it's not like pitch dark in here. Now I want to show you out on the patio right here. This is what one of the things we really love of being in the Havana. Oh, I forgot. And last but not least is the bathroom. We'll show you how it is inside now. The bathroom is not really that big, but if you've been on the Celebration, even though it's a bigger ship, the bathroom to me seemed a lot tighter. Even though it had a glass door for the shower, it just seemed like smaller. Here's your shower. It's got a curtain, and the only thing I don't like about it, it seems like it gets the floor wet, but I always just take the towel that I'm using and just dry it up, because you're leaving that anyways for them to replace. And then they've got shelves over here, which on this side, usually I put Paul's stuff, and this side my stuff. And then they have a mirror right here if you need to see the back of your hair, or you want to see your face up closer, which, I don't want to see mine, but anyways, that's it. And then they have your towels are right over here. They have your Kleenex right there, and your soap, and your little waste basket right there. So, like I said, it's not real big, but it does, it suits its purpose, for you to take a quick shower and, your stuff over there on the side. Yeah, okay. And so they do have a plug up there. You have to open it up, to plug in, but most of the stuff that we do, we put out there because there's more plugs out there. But if you're like probably shaving in here or something, you can plug it in up there and then shave, or just open the door, and you're gonna walk out onto this patio here. And always be careful because they have this upper lift right here, and you want to make sure you just don't flip right out of there. I always hang on to the door handle and then step over, and then you just come out and try to shut the door when you can, because it keeps it cool in there. With it outside, it's hot, but it has a nice handle. This handle is real easy just to shut like that. Then on this side, they have the whole thing you can lay on. This one too, they both do that. This one though doesn't lay all the way down. It just lays like that, but it has for your feet. This one can lay back or sit up, whichever you want to do. And there's a little table there if you want to bring it over and put your drink on it. So, you have somewhere to put it on the ground and then get up and knock it over. And this is one of our favorite things that we love. I love this. I love sitting in this chair. It's so much fun. I just come out here and just kind of swing back and forth and relax. It's really nice, especially after you go in the pool or hot tub and you're trying to dry off, and that it feels really good. So this is our little patio, and this, I'm going to show you the gate, opening the gate up. Our gate, open that up, and we come right out. And then when we come back,
How you doing?
hi, close it up. And that completes our room tour of 5237 Havana Cabana.
All right, that does it for our Havana Cabana room tour of cabin number 5237. Before we go, we'd like to have you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never ever miss an exciting episode of the adventurous life of Paul and Diane.
Please comment below if you have ever stayed in a Havana Cabana cabin, or if you plan to stay in one in the near future.
All right, well, that does it for us. And as always, live your life as an adventure. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
I used to play around with hearts, hasten at my call. When I met that little girl, knew that I would fall. Poor little